I hate that I'm not there with you today. I miss you terribly. Be good for the sub. This is what you guys are doing today. So if you go to the calendar, today's March 7th, so you want to find March 7th. Click on geometry, you'll see quad. And if you click on this quadrilateral review, it's going to give you a review of all the quadrilaterals that we've talked about. So it'll talk about what a quadrilateral is, a trapezoid, isosceles trapezoid, and it lists all the properties. So if you need to go back and look, make sure you save this to your drive and you can go back and look at all these different properties. I think the square is kind of cute. He has it all. So anyway, go back and look at that. Then you also have a worksheet that you're going to be working on today. So the first part is just matching. Make sure you know the definitions of all these. Like this first one says a blank is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. So do you remember which one just has 4 right angles? It's not a square, because a square has 4 right angles and 4 congruent sides. So do you guys remember which one it is? It would be a rectangle. You can put F or you can write out the word rectangle either way. So that's how you're going to do the first part. The next part, you're just going to say what each figure is. Now be really careful. Number 12 might look like a square, but it's not a square because it just has 4 right angles marked. It does not have 4 right angles and 4 congruent sides. So be careful when you're looking at these. Also, if you look at 14, this is a parallelogram. This side is marked equal to this side. So remember, opposite sides equal each other. So that means all 4 sides would be equal. So make sure you keep that in mind when you're deciding what that figure is. The next part, you need to graph each of these pictures. When you graph it, then you're going to see what the shape is. You're going to have to do this on your test on Wednesday. So graph the picture. If it looks like a kite, it's a kite. If it looks like a rectangle, it's a rectangle. So those you're going to graph. Don't forget when finding the mid-segment, it's 1/2 base 1 plus base 2. So on this one, I would do 1/2 23 plus 52, and that's going to give you the length of the mid-segment. I have a couple challenge problems, so I wonder if you can figure those out. If you just set it up, 1/2, so the mid-segment would equal 1/2 base 1 plus base 2, and then you can solve it from there. So there's a hint. Let's see who can figure those out. I think that's it. You have another challenge problem on this kite. Remember, keep in mind that diagonals are perpendicular, so this would be a right angle. You really don't even need that information. You can look at that triangle, and what do all the angles in a triangle add up to? Well, they add up to 180. So you're going to add all these angles up to equal 180. The last part is true and false. So you're going to answer those questions. I thought this was kind of cute. It didn't show up very pretty when I scanned it in, but it says, spring break, alpaca my bags, and it's an alpaca. So it's kind of cute. So anyway, have fun doing your worksheet. I miss you guys like crazy. Have a great day, and I will see you Wednesday. Thanks.